What we have here, kids, is a regular looking microwave. A bit old, kind of beat up. You know, the problem with this microwave, just found this out, when you open it up, oh, she turns on. She's a running. Yeah, it's nasty. I don't clean my microwave because I'm a dirty bastard and I don't give a shit, but turn it off, just shut the door. It says 0. I could do this. Turn on. Kind of weird. Then I do stop. Then I turn this dirty bastard. There she goes again. I don't know if I should unplug it or not because it might burn my house down. Or not. Someone needs to clean the microwave, Lisa. Get out your goddamn dish towel and do what the woman needs to do. JK LOL for all you sensitive vaginas out there. There you go. Look at that.